Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Air University student account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Air University student account, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Air University student portal login like this and hit enter. And on the first result you can see the portals.au.edu.pk by Air University. Click over there, and after that you'll be required to enter your registration ID over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on login to sign into your Air University student portal. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or you can just sign into your Air University student portal from the Google Plus if you use AU Student LAMS authentication to log in. And there guys, this is how you log into your Air University student portal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.